I'm going to take off my mask to read so you guys can see my face while I'm reading. But everybody is far enough away from me for that. Okay? The title of this book is Grumpy Bird. And it's a cure-all for a bad mood. After all, don't you ever feel grumpy? No? Okay. Grumpy Bird by Jeremy Tankard. Here's Grumpy Bird. When Bird woke up, he was grumpy. Look at that. Make a grumpy face. Grumpy face. He was too grumpy to eat, too grumpy to play. In fact, he was too grumpy to fly. Well, looks like I'm walking today. Bird walked past Sheep. Good morning, Bird, said Sheep. What are you doing? Walking, said Bird. Nice. I'll keep you company. Look at that. Sheep's being a good friend, isn't she? Bird walked past Rabbit. Hi there, Bird, said Rabbit. What are you doing? I'm walking and it's no fun. Oh, I could use some exercise, said Rabbit. I'll walk too. Look at that. They're being good friends.
The sheep too? He's fighting the sheep.
Yeah. Bird walked past Raccoon. Hey, Bird, what are you doing? Said Raccoon. I'm walking. What does it look like? Looks like fun, said Raccoon. I'm coming too. But Grumpy Bird's still grumpy. Let's see. Bird walked past Beaver. Hello, Bird, said Beaver. What are you doing? Let me give you a hint, said Bird. You do it by placing one foot in front of the other. Walking, said Beaver. I love walking. So they're all working with his friends. Bird walked past Fox. Good day, Bird, said Fox. What are you doing? Why does everybody want to know what I'm doing? Shouted Bird. Oh, dear. I'm just walking, okay? Okay, said Fox. Let's go. And Bird walked. And the other animals walked. They're all walking together. And Bird stopped. And all the other animals stopped. Bird stood on one leg. And all the other animals stood on one leg. Bird jumped. And all the other animals jumped.
You were flying.
Hey, this is fun, said Bird. Look at that, he's having fun.
What happened to his face?
Come on, said Bird, who had forgotten all about being grumpy. Let's fly back to my nest for a snack. Can the other animals fly? No, they're going to have to walk or jump or something.
Yeah.
And so they did. So Grumpy Bird was not having a good morning. There was probably something that they were thinking about that made him really grumpy and made him not want to get up and go do things. See how grumpy he is on the front page? Grumpy Bird. But all his friends helped him feel better, didn't they? Okay? And that's what we do here we help each other feel better. Now, are there things that we do sometimes that we don't want to do? Yeah. Oh, yeah, absolutely. There's things we don't want to do. You know what? I have a whole lot of work that I need to do on the computer, and I don't want to do it. But I'm going to, because it's what I have to do. It's my job. And we have a schedule that we follow every day, and so we follow our schedule, right? And you don't have to want to do it. We're going to do it anyway. Okay? All right. Thank you, Grumpy Bird.